having a friend from a different cultural background is a very good learning experience. And I think the idea that I'm older than you, I've had to lower my pride, especially when you teach me something. Like when you teach me about loving my country.
Yes, that's most important. Thank you for saying this after 15 years. Akala ko, yeah. The relationship with Korea and Philippines already 70 years. Tapos 1950, pinadala ng more than like 7,000 sundalo na pupunta sa Korean War. Pag pumunta kayo Yongsan Korean War Museum, nandun yung Philippine flag. Tapos nandun yung lahat ng names ng yung sumali ng sundalo.
Yung mga sundalo.
Yeah, sa Korean War. So all the Korean, they love Philippines, they because they are required to study the history.
And in your Magpasikat, where you won, you actually honored the soldiers.
Yes.
Di ba? Parang pinaalam niyo sa amin yung kahalagahan nila sa inyo.
Oh.